Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button battery saver. Tap it once and you can enable this mode. You can also access its settings by holding your finger on it. Go to the battery saver, and here you can, for example, enable the feature reduced CPU performance, and you can also set it to turn on automatically and select at which battery charge it will turn on automatically. For example, let's set it on 29%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.